Welcome, lovely souls. I invite you to take a deep breath and join me in this serene space. Today, I want to share my journey with you, a journey of self-discovery, healing, and embracing the divine feminine energy that resides within us all. It all began with a simple desire to create beauty that feels authentic and nurturing. As I explored my own self-care rituals, I realized how important it is for us as women to express ourselves fully without compromise. I wanted to craft something that resonates deeply, not just with style, but with the essence of who we are. And so, I started to create press-on nails. Each press-on nail is not just a design, it's a piece of art infused with love, creativity, and a touch of magic. As I gently place each set into this box, I think of the women who will wear them. I imagine the smiles, the confidence, the moments of self-love that these nails will inspire. You see, our nails are more than just an accessory. They are a celebration of our individuality. They remind us that self-care is essential, not just in how we look, but in how we feel. When we adorn ourselves, we honor our journey, our authenticity, and our divine feminine power. With every set, you embrace a moment of tranquility, a time to pause and appreciate yourself. Imagine slipping them on, feeling the soft touch of elegance against your fingertips. It's more than just beauty. It's a ritual of love and care, a reminder to cherish yourself every day.
Sure.
In this fast-paced world, we often forget to slow down and listen to our hearts. I invite you to take this time for yourself, to explore, to feel, to reconnect with the goddess within. You deserve to be celebrated, to shine brightly in your own unique way. Thank you for allowing me to share this moment with you. Together, let's embrace our journeys, our healing, and the beauty that comes from being authentically ourselves. Join me in the celebration of self-care, and let's inspire each other to live with grace, love, and divine energy.